How can I effectively summarize notes using the Cornell method? Imagine turning a messy pile of notes into a clear, organized summary that makes studying easier. That's what the Cornell method helps you do. It's a simple way to keep your notes neat and useful. First, you divide your note page into 3 sections. The biggest part on the right is for writing your detailed notes during class or reading. On the left side, make a narrow column for questions or key points. The bottom part of the page is reserved for a short summary. While you're taking notes, focus on writing down important facts, ideas, or concepts in the main section. Don't worry about making it perfect, just get the information down. After class or studying, review your notes quickly. Look at what you wrote and think about the main ideas. Next, in the narrow left column, write questions or cues that relate to the notes. For example, if you wrote about photosynthesis, your question might be, what is the process of photosynthesis? These cues help you test yourself later. Then, in the bottom section, write a brief summary of the entire page. Use your own words to explain what the notes are about. Keep it short and clear, maybe a few sentences or key phrases. This summary helps you remember the main points without rereading everything. When you review your notes, cover the main notes and try to answer the questions in the cue column. Use the summary to get a quick idea of what the page covers. This active review makes it easier to remember and understand the material. To do this well, review your notes soon after the class or study session. Pick out the core ideas and write a clear, concise summary. Use diagrams or key formulas if they help you understand better. The goal is to turn your notes into a tool for quick review and self-testing. The Cornell method makes your notes more organized, helps you think about what you've learned, and saves time when studying later. It's all about turning passive note-taking into active learning. By following these steps, you create a system that helps you remember more and study smarter. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference in how you learn and review your material.